Okay, so what we're going to be doing is changing out the old thermostat. Now I've taken the housing off previously and removed the thermostat just so I could know whether I'm getting the right part on the internet. This is the old thermostat. As you can see, it looks very tired, so we're going to be swapping that out. Apart from this being a very small thermostat, it's probably one of the smallest I've ever seen or dealt with before. It comes with additional parts in the pack for an extra diaphragm, which is quite interesting. So it's a bit of a more complicated thermostat, but easy to change nonetheless. So what we'll do is just start by taking the housing off. This is the diaphragm with this, it's got a spring on it. Obviously helps with maybe pumping the water around. So I've cleaned all this up. There's a lot of build up of bit of sediment all in here. So previously what I did was just take this off, take a blade, make sure you clean all this up, because this is where the gasket sits and you don't want it any bits being on there in between the gasket. You want a nice clean sill. Right, so sometimes, or most of the time, it does pay to pay extra and just get the factory examples. I had a bit of a nightmare getting the rubber seal on there, where the factory one would have come with the rubber seal on there, I would imagine. But it's on there now, and yeah, we'll fit it up and see how that goes. Okay, so that seems to be done up. What I'll do, I'll start the engine up, just make sure I've got no leaks. It was a bit of a nightmare to fit back in, make sure that it's all seated in correctly, but we'll give it a test and see how that goes from there.